Yo, in case you're wondering, man, my name is Ramana Lucky. So today we're actually going to be reacting to the GOAT himself, Eminem. So Eminem has been dropping singles of his new album coming out next month, titled The Death of Slim Shady. He dropped Houdini. I did a reaction for that, but the reaction got blocked from YouTube. So, and that's that. So this is a snippet of a new single that will be dropping on the 5th of July. So let's just check it out. This one is featuring BigSean. I love BigSean, and Babytron. I don't really know who Babytron is. I guess he's a new artist, and Eminem usually looks for a way to promote new artists we've never heard of. So let's just check this out and see what it is. The king himself. Okay, what's going on? Yeah, Eminem is BigSean, man. This one's about to be fire, man. Yo, I love this dark instrumental, man. I love the dark instrumental on this. Let me take it back. Eminem is about to go crazy on this beat. Yeah. Eminem is definitely
shit.
Last.
Fuck. Shit. Boy. Huh. Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider, but see, me, it was a goat.
Hey, that was a snip. Oh shit. Let's watch it one more time. Yeah. Eminem.
Shit. Fuck. Shit. Boy. Huh. Tobey Maguire got bit by a spider.
Yo, I guess that's all, man. I sincerely leave this reaction aside. I am so excited for Eminem. I want him to drop this album. I'm a huge fan of Eminem, so I can't just wait for this album to drop, basically. So please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. I'm just an upcoming YouTuber, so show me love, man. Peace.